So far right now, both of those lights are connected, man. And I was thinking about just running it straight, but man, I want to keep it clean. So as you can see, it's going down to the frame, and I'm gonna use this rail right here so I can cover the cable and then follow the frame. So that's what I'm doing right now. That way, the building looks a little bit, a little bit better. Yeah, it's still a metal building, but man, if you can make it look good, why not, right? It's my house, might as well take my time and do it the right way. So here it goes. We're gonna run the cable on the rail. That way it won't show. And we're gonna follow the frame right here and get to the line. So let me keep on going, man. So one of the things that I want to show you real quick, man, I should have done this before. Well, look, the cable is going in. This is gonna be a slack that I'm gonna cut. It's not gonna show, but as you can see, I'm following the frame. And as you see on both, I don't know if you can see them, but on both of the lights, I set them up already. Since I start putting them up, to the wire can be on one side only, because the plan is to follow this main beam right here in the middle where the lights go, and that's gonna be my switch right there. I don't know if I'm gonna put it right there, or I'm gonna bring it to the side. Alright, so we finally finished running the wire right now for the lights. Now I'm trying to see where am I gonna locate the switch. As y'all can see, I still follow the frame right now. I'm gonna come down all over here, and I'm gonna put it up right there, man. The reason why is as soon as you open up the door, you wanna have the switch right there. So this one right here, I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna use one of the breakers so I can do the closed circuit on the lights. Once I run the switch, I don't know if I should put a double or a single right now, because I might want to put a light outside. But for right now, I'm just gonna put a single switch for lights inside. If later on I put a outside light, I just switch it to a double switch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna connect the cable right here, and then I'm gonna run it back again, use that frame, and then, well, yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is probably gonna use this rail right here. I haven't sealed those holes, so I'm probably gonna run the wire right there. And this is what I was telling you about. This is a little shit that was here already. So what we're gonna be doing is gonna be running the wire. Probably just dig a hole. I got the pipes right there, and we're gonna connect to this breaker box right here. So this breaker box was here before I got here when I bought the house. So we got four breakers, 220s and 250s. So that's more than enough what I need. Right now the only thing that they got is a couple of lights right here. So let me show you where we at real quick, man. I drill a hole right here. I gotta put some clear silicone after I'm done. The plan was to run the frame and go all the way to the box, but the wire is not long enough. So what we're gonna do right here, we got two separate switches, well, two separate circuits. One of them goes to this light right here, and the other one, it goes to the plugs. We only got one plug right here. I'm looking at the fuse box. I didn't put this fuse box. This fuse box was here already. This one is a 20 amp. So this one right here is running to the lights. This one right here is running to the plug. So I was looking up online. The lights that I have, they're 80 watts each. This one is 20 amps. So 1.25 amps is equal to 150 watts. So that 20 amp right there is more than enough to support these two little lights and the four lights that I got over there. I'm not no electrician, man. I'm just doing this for my house. So if you're trying to learn from me, hell nah. You're learning from the wrong person. Like I said, I understand a little bit about electricity, but I'm not no expert. Do not do anything that I'm doing right here. Like I say, I'm not an electrician. I'm just working on my shop because, people these days suing everybody for dumb things. I don't want to get sued one day because, oh man, I watched your video. Nah, hell nah. Not an electrician, man. I'm just working in my house. So once I'm done running this wire, I'll get back to y'all, man. Damn it, boy. Man, I told you I'm not no electrician, man. I was having trouble. The switch, the breaker kept popping off. I didn't know why. So I had to check. The reason why is because you don't connect the white wires, man. You're living separate. As you can see, I got two black, white, green. So we got power. So I'm telling you, man, I'm not an electrician. Just trying to do what I can without pain. Nah, but look, let me show you what I had to do real quick. When I turned on the breaker kept on getting off. So what I did, I came over here. I used this one as a reference. If this one is working, means everything else is gonna work. So on this one right here, we got, let me see if I can get some light. This one right here, we got black, white, and I believe that's the ground. So I did the same exact thing on the other one. Like I say, kept on popping the breaker off. So I knew it had to be the plug. So we got the green one, we got the white one, and we got the black one. And boom. We got the lights, man. So I ran out of wire, so I'm gonna do the plugs later on, probably next week, because like I say, I don't want to spend no money right now. I had these lights already. I'm gonna wait until it gets dark to see how it's gonna look. But so far, man, I like it. I might not even put the other two. So I'm just gonna keep this ones on. As you can tell, man, the wiring, it was good. It's clean. I started with this light right here. Got connected to that one. Followed the frame. You cannot even see it right there. Came to this one right here. Then down to this one. Drop it off right there on the corner. Got my little box. This one right here goes to my lights. This one's right here goes to my breaker box. Went around it. And finally over there, what I did is it was not gonna reach my plug over there. So what I did, I just followed straight and I got plugged into that one right there. I disconnected this light off, so that one is not working now. I'm probably gonna have to do I don't know, I need to make that look clean, man. I don't like it to be exposed like that. I just trying to see if it was gonna work. So it is working. I'm gonna wait until tonight, see how it's gonna look. If it looks good, I'm just gonna leave it like that. If not, we're gonna add the other two, but so far what I think is gonna be good. It's easy to figure it out, man. If you got something working, you just go ahead, check it out. And boom, we got lights, man. So one of my days in quarantine, man. Trying to stay busy, man. So I hope y'all do the same. Stay busy, man. Work around the house. You know, you don't gotta spend no bread, man. It's things that you can be doing, cutting the grass, planting flowers, I don't know, whatever. Just something to stay busy. So there it goes, man. Thank you for watching. All right, man. Y'all be good.